In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Excel to simplify the process of creating a frequency distribution for discrete data values. It will also eliminate any possible counting errors that you might make along the way. I'll be working with some data from a Chapter 2 homework problem, so if you're ready, let's get started. So here in column A, we have the data from the problem. It's simply just a range of values from A1 to A30 with different numbers ranging from 0 to 10. Here we have the frequency distribution, and this is where we're going to be populating the frequency of each occurrence for the data values. So let's go ahead and do the data value 0. So simply what you're going to do is you're going to look through the range of data and you're going to find where we have a 0. So just scroll down here and I see a 0 here and then I don't see any more. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in a 1 here. So then we're going to do this for data value 1. Scroll down. So I don't see any occurrences of 1, so we're going to go ahead and put a 0. Now I'm going to do this for 2. So I'm going to scroll down. Here's 1. And then no more. So you're going to go ahead and repeat that for the rest of the data values. And now we have the frequency distribution populated. So what if there was a better way in Excel? Well, there is. In Excel, they have a function called COUNTIF and COUNTIFS. COUNTIFs is simply just the same thing as COUNTIF, but you could have multiple criterias in your count function. However, for here, we only have one criteria. I am going to use COUNTIFs because it is the most flexible option because you could expand it to multiple criterias. So we're going to go ahead and populate the frequency here in column E next to what we did manually so we could just verify that the numbers came out correctly from Excel. Do equals COUNTIFs. Your criteria range is going to be the range of cells where you want to be counting the occurrences of numbers. So we could just do from cell A1 to A30. I'm going to do a shortcut and I'm going to just do the entire column A. And the criteria 1 is going to be, what are you counting? Well, I want to count the occurrences or the frequency of each data value, and I want to reference a cell that I wanted to count. So I'm going to go ahead and click on C2, close parentheses, click enter, and we get a 1, and that matches what we did manually. Now all I got to do is fill this formula down. And there you go, we're done. Let's just do a quick validation. And everything came out correctly and no risk of error. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Please reach out if you have any other questions.